WordPress is a database-driven CMS. For optimal performance, the database should not be cluttered. But every time you revise a post or unapprove a comment, WordPress keeps a record of them and all of it clutters up the database. And if your blog receives lots of spam comments, these add to the clutter as well. You can optimize your database either manually or use a plugin to do that. First, we will see how to optimize your WordPress database manually. You need to log in to your hosting account, and from the cPanel, you will need to go to phpMyAdmin. If you have several sites hosted on the same account, you will need to select the database you want to optimize. You can find the name of the database in the WP config file. Locate the database in the list you will see on the left and click on it. Before you do any changes, you will want to back up your database. Let's take a backup now. Click on the tab Export. Don't change anything here and click on Go. And the database will be downloaded to your computer. Now, go back to the Structure tab, scroll down to the very bottom and select Check All. Then, from this drop-down menu, select Repair Table. If everything goes well, you get this message that says the query has been successfully executed. Click on Structure again and you will be able to see the tables again. Scroll to the bottom, check all, and this time select Optimize Table from this drop-down menu. If everything goes well, you see this message that says the query has been successfully executed. You will want to do this once every few weeks so that your database runs efficiently all the time. You can also use a plugin to optimize your database. We'll use the plugin WP Optimize for this. We'll install and activate this plugin. We need to configure the settings now. We will not be changing any of these options because we will be deleting this plugin soon after it's done its work. We don't need to keep a plugin that we'll not be using regularly. Click on WP Optimize and then click on Process. You get a warning asking you whether you want to continue. Click on OK. Now that the plugin has done its job, let's delete this. We can always reinstall it whenever we need to optimize the database again. Every time you delete a plugin, you will need to empty the page cache.